In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to make a real estate website in GoDaddy Website Builder. Whether you're a real estate agent, broker, or starting your own property business, this method will help you launch a professional website quickly without any coding experience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your real estate website ready to preview and publish. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple website tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first step is to sign in to your GoDaddy account. Open your browser and go to godaddy.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen and enter your email address and password. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll be taken to your GoDaddy dashboard. Next, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, choose My Products. This section shows all the products and services connected to your account, including domains and websites. Now look for the option that says Set up a free website. Click on it to begin creating your real estate site. GoDaddy will now guide you through a short setup process to customize your website. First, it will ask what features you want for your website. Since we're building a real estate website, select Sell with an online store. This option gives you flexibility if you want to list properties, accept bookings, or add premium services in the future. After selecting it, click Continue. Next, GoDaddy will ask what kind of business you have. In the search bar, type Real Estate. If it doesn't automatically appear in the dropdown, just type it fully and select the closest matching option. Choosing the correct business category helps GoDaddy generate a design and layout that fits the real estate industry, including property sections and contact features. After that, you'll be asked to enter your business name. Type the name exactly as you want it to appear on your website. This will automatically be added to your homepage and branding sections. Now enter your contact details. This typically includes your phone number, email address, and possibly your business address. Make sure these details are accurate because this is how potential buyers and sellers will reach you. Once you've filled everything out, click Continue. You'll then be asked to add some context about your business. This can include a short description of what you do, the areas you serve, and the type of properties you specialize in. For example, you might mention residential homes, luxury properties, rentals, or commercial real estate. Adding clear and professional information here helps build trust with visitors. After completing these steps, click Next, and GoDaddy will automatically generate your real estate website. Within seconds, you'll see a ready-made design tailored to your business category. From here, you can preview your website to see how it looks. Browse through the homepage, property sections, and contact forms. If you want, you can further customize colors, images, text, and layouts using the built-in editor. You can upload property photos, add listings, update your About section, and connect your domain name. Once you're happy with the design and content, click Publish to make your real estate website live. That's it. Your website is now ready for clients to visit. As you can see, creating a real estate website in GoDaddy Website Builder is fast and beginner-friendly. You don't need technical skills, and the guided setup makes the entire process simple. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy website and business tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.